go. Oh, hell no. Ah!
Jenny, it doesn't hurt. Look, it doesn't hurt. It doesn't hurt.
No, get away from me, no. No, no.
It doesn't hurt.
Let me do it to myself then. Oh, no.
Start off slow, like this.
Okay.
See that it doesn't hurt, and then you can go faster. Here, I'll reach up. Jenny's fucking scared of saying it hurt. See? You were asleep.
Oops. I'm so
Dopey! Here, kitty, 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 kitty. Let's see what he thinks about that.
Put this shit away.
You knocked everything off the top of that. Everything.
Oh, I have to find the razor.
It's right there. Let's try to find Dopey. I don't. Really? Dopey! Ah, kitty, 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 kitty! Come here, Dopesters. They're squeak because I fucking hate this cat. Dopey! We can't even see her because you're black. You're a nigger kitty. Nigger kitty. Ah! This is my kitty. And the ferret. Play with the ferret, Dopey. Aww. Jenny's like calling. I'm coming! What?
We can carve a pumpkin.
You want to carve a pumpkin?
Yeah. You want to?
Where?
Right here and now with the pumpkin.
Alright, let's do it. Let's do it in
Do you
here.
think our parents will get mad?
Well, are they gonna like make pumpkin pie out of it?
Is it rotten?
I don't think so.
I don't know then. Maybe they are. I'm so hungry. Let's cook. Hey.
Do you know how to cook?
No.
Neither do I.
Let's look what's in the fridge to eat that we can make without cooking. There's nothing in here. We don't even have milk.
What's this? Oh, there's a can of milk.
Hell no, there isn't.
Yeah, there is. There's a can with milk
Where?
in the cupboard.
That's fucking disgusting.
Is it? You can just make it cold. There's ice cream.
No, isn't. Oh shit.
Oh,
You're still recording?
Yeah.
Oh no. I'm gonna make some s'mores.
For real? You should make me a small. This ice cream is the shit.
How many do you want?
Like one. Or two.
Two?
Two. That's chocolate, vanilla, and strawberry ice cream in like one thing.